We've got big plans, and we think that we do a very good job for who we consider our ecosystem, which is our customers, our funding partners. And we want to continue to do a good job and stay ahead of the curve and bring innovation to them to help them grow their businesses.
So Danny, about Armada, can you give me an overview of the company, sort of the products and services and what your mission is and what makes you guys different from the other competitors?
Number one, our core competency is we provide equipment financing for commercial enterprises, whether it's a startup, small business, established medium-sized business, large corporates, government entities. We provide financing for anything that a customer would need or a business would need to run their business and to grow their business. And one of the things that we do differently is we look at sustainability of our product. So instead of trying to make the most amount of money on every deal, what we do is we treat all of the business partners in our ecosystem fairly, because we want to help them grow and we want to be around for the long run. We want to be their trusted advisor, so to speak.
What is your most popular financing product and who is it best suited for?
So most of the equipment that we finance is essential use equipment, meaning the business can't run without it, whether it's a manufacturing concern, we're financing a production line, or if it's a service-oriented business and we're financing, let's say, a medical device that they would need or computers for an office. You could get pretty fancy with the types of products that are available. But because of that, we typically find that our customers prefer a lease to own type of product, or what's otherwise known as a capital lease. They want to have certainty around what the monthly costs are going to be, what the overall costs are going to be, and they want to know that they own the equipment at the end of the term.
Right. Okay. Anything new or either product wise or just strategy wise at Armada that you want folks to know about?
Sure. We're constantly looking for ways to improve our service. That's, bottom line is, so long as we're competitive on our rates and our terms, really the most important thing in our industry is speed.
Mm-hmm.
And the quicker we can give an answer to a customer with certainty, the better off that customer is going to be. They're going to be able to make a quick decision. Sometimes the vendor is willing to give them a certain deal, but they only have a limited number of units and they've got to commit quickly. Or sometimes, a customer could take advantage of the fact that it's the end of the month or the end of the fiscal quarter for a vendor and get a really good deal. And we have to be there to support them. So a lot of what we're doing is we're investing a lot of money in our ERP. It's pretty decent now, but it's, we're constantly adding additional credit decisioning in it so that we can automate as much of what we do as possible. We're automating document generation. I would say probably 80% of all of our document packages are electronic signature right now. We've integrated a bunch of software into our system to allow us to generate electronic signatures. We're investing in APIs with our funding partners so that we can get funding packages in more quickly and get our vendor partners who refer the business to us funded sooner. We're looking at automating some of the insurance because that seems to be one of the key sticking points when you're doing a transaction, is just getting the equipment insured and the delays in getting the equipment insured. So we're dealing with some insurance companies so that we can put our own insurance on for the first couple of months and give our customers the ability to sort out what's the best deal for them on insurance, but at least know that the equipment's going to be covered and that we can pay the vendor, keep the vendor happy, and get that equipment into production.
Right.
We're making investments because right now we're a little company. We never set out to be a little company like everybody else. We've got big plans, and we think that we do a very good job for who we consider our ecosystem, which is our customers, our funding partners, and our vendor/referral partners. And we want to continue to do a good job and stay ahead of the curve and bring innovation to them to help them grow their businesses.